Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a checklist app in Scratch. So before we get started, make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel and make sure to subscribe to my other channel. I post a lot of gacha videos over there. The link will be in the description. So let's get started. So let's first delete this sprite. And let's paint a new sprite. So what we need in the checklist app, we need like a button which we have to click, and then that button will make us type something in, and it will be shown in like a place where or like a variable. It will be shown there. So we need a variable and type button to click, and then we also need like a box which we have to use for seeing if you did that work which was put in the variable. If you're not understanding, you'll see later. So first let's make that box. So first I'll use green. Green will mean that it's done. Then the outline also. So let's do that and make it. And it can be like a box or a circle, anything that you want. I'm going to do this. Let me make this bigger. Make sure it's in the middle. I'll decrease the outline. So this is the red, means the green. So we'll name this as done. So so the box will make us see if the thing which was put on the variable is done or not. So for me, green will be is green means it's done. Red means it's not done. So make sure to name it so you like don't get confused on which costume it is. And then let's duplicate this and let's just fill in the colors. So I will fill the red, and then let's first do like this, and then we'll change it to red and we'll do this. So we have a done and not done. Let's rename this to not done. So now we need like the variable also. So let me also make a button. For making a button, I'll choose a sprite. So let me just type in button. Now you can see multiple options over here. Like there's the done button. You can also use these two buttons as if you want to like for the box thing which we did, for it to be done or not, you can also do that. This is the home button. For now, there are three other buttons. You can choose any one of these. I'll choose the button 2. I'll put it right on the top. And now I just delete this one because we need just one. Now we'll just fill in the colors. So let's do it like this, and then I'll change this to purple, and then I'll change. This will be darker, and like this, and like this. So let me just this part, and now like let's make like another one as like when it's clicked. It should, if you want, you can make this because when it's clicked, like it will change its costume to a different one. So people know it's clicked. So if it's your wish if you want to do it or not, and then this will be the opposing color, so like this. Yes. So let's just name it as type button, otherwise button type also. And let's also add like a text over here. We'll make it a pixel text and we'll type in it type, the word type. And let's also change its color to black so it's easier to see. And let's put this also. And now we'll click on it once it's in the middle. Now we'll copy it and then we'll go to the other costume and paste it. So now it's for easier transportation. Let's also make these the button be in the middle and these two also. And now we need a variable. So let's delete my variable by right clicking on it. Then these two options will come. You'll click on delete the my variable, the name, and then we'll click on make a variable and make sure that um, the sprite is this box thing. We will name it as done and not done. And now let's make a variable. So we'll name the variable as text. So like, and let's just position it and let's make it large readout. So it's easier to read. And now, so we have the button. We have this button. We have the done, not done button thing. And then we have the text folder. So we can also rename this, the variable as text folder by right clicking on it and clicking on rename variable. Now we can change it to text folder. It doesn't really matter what name you give, like it can be any name that you can give, but for now we can keep it as text folder, otherwise text. So now let's start coding for it. So, so first we'll code for button, the type button, which is this purple button which I made. So when the green flag is clicked, it should it should be it should switch costume to button 1, means otherwise button. Okay, I'll just rename that to 1. So button is the first costume, and now uh, and button 1 is the second costume. So when the green flag is clicked, then it should it should first of all like change its costume. So we'll go to control. We'll drag this forever loop. Let's make this bigger. So let's drag this forever loop, and we'll drag this if loop. So if the mouse pointer is touching the button and it's also clicking the button, then it should first of all switch costumes, and then like it will ask us what it wants us to type, and then later it will set this variable as the text which we typed in. So if the button is clicked, clicked by, first of all the button will click, and if that while when it's clicked it's also like um, touching this button, then so we'll go to operators, we drag this and operator. So in the first like space we put is mouse down. uh, so mouse down means just a click or a long click, whatever type of click it is from the mouse pointer. And now if touching, if it's mouse down, that means if something is clicked by the mouse pointer and it's also touching the mouse pointer, that means that it's clicked because I'm touching it and I'm clicking on it. Then it should, first of all, it should wait, like it should, no, not this, it should switch costume to button 1, wait for 0.2 seconds maybe, 0.2, otherwise 3, whatever you want to put. And now, and then it will switch back to the normal button. Let's test that. Now you can see it's working. So, like this. So now we know that it's clicked. Let's make the 0.1. Let's see how that will work. Okay, 0.1 it is. You can keep in any speed that you want, like any waiting seconds. Okay, and then it will ask us, uh, and it will first wait some more, like 0.2 seconds this time, and then it will ask us what we want to type. So we will go to looks, we'll drag this say hello for 2 seconds, and this hello, this something white around this hello. So inside of that white circle or oval, click on it and then change the text to what do you want in your checklist. So it will ask us what it wants for our checklist. And then once no, wait, I made a mistake. it should ask us, it should not say it to us. So we'll go to sensing and drag this, and it will ask us, what do we want? What do you want? And your checklist. And it will wait. And then after it waits, it will set the um, the text to the answer. So we will go to variables, we will drag this text, set text to the to, and then we will go to sensing and drag this answer. And we'll also make set text holder at the starting. We'll make it set text holder to nothing. So let's remove the 0. And now let's code for the done and not done button. So when the green flag is clicked, it will first of all switch costume to not done because we haven't filled anything. And then it will also, if now we'll go to control, we'll drag this forever loop, we'll drag this if then loop and put it inside of the forever loop. So if it's clicked, so the same code kind of, so and operator touching mouse pointer and then mouse down also. So if it's clicked, it should go to the next costume. So let's see the clicking when we click this. So it's like going very fast and it's all and it's kind of glitchy. So let's wait. Let's put a wait like 0.3 seconds. Let's see if that works. Now that works. If you want, you can make it faster by decreasing the weight uh, to a lesser thing, to a lesser number, and then it will. Now let's just see if it works or not. So it's able to change, and then we clicked on it. So it's asking us what do we want in our checklist. We'll just put like hi or something. And now is the hi done? Yes, it's done. So green. So like that you can use and like and you can use this and if you like need anything you can just and you're like very forgetful or something then you can do like this also and then later you can share it to everyone else and so you can also access it in your phone and then you will be able to use it in your phone and you'll be able to carry it around. So suppose like you can also do it like to buy the groceries or something when you do that. So you like and you're very forgetful, so you just type it what you need to buy, uh, and if you bought it, then you can click on this and make it green. Otherwise, you can otherwise if not, let it be red. So like this, you can also put uh, a lot of buttons also, and, and so and you can also duplicate this. Otherwise, make another variable and all that stuff. So you can have more things if you're buying more, if you're getting more. Otherwise, if you have to do something and there's a lot of tasks that you have to do, like suppose in Among Us, there are like 1 million tasks or something, endless tasks. So you can just type it in like this, I guess, if, because there's always like a place where you can see your tasks. But just in case, you can do that if you want. Otherwise, if it's Among Us in real life, you can do that. So before we end this video, make sure to like this video again, not again, like this video. Subscribe to this channel and subscribe to my Gacha channel, Exotic Snowflake. The link for it will be in the description. Like literally, there are like more than 100 videos I posted in my Gacha channel. So make sure to subscribe to this channel. Also subscribe to this channel and my Gacha channel. And like if you want Scratch, there will be like a link in the description uh, where you can just click the link and it will take you to Scratch, and then you can make your own games and all that. So it it's an online link, so it will be open in your browser like Google, otherwise Firefox, otherwise Microsoft Edge, uh, anything like that. And like I guess right. So bye.